welcome. I am Vishwanath Ebbar. In this video, let us discuss about software testing foundation level syllabus. If you are preparing for software testing certification or you want to get better in software testing, if you are preparing for a software testing certification or you want to get better at software testing basic skills, which are very important if you are a job seeker in the IT industry. So let us discuss about the basics syllabus that you need to go through in order to prepare yourself for a test or even to attend the job interviews. So let us discuss the syllabus one by one. So first thing is fundamentals of testing. In this fundamentals of testing, you need to understand what is testing and why it is necessary to do the testing. What are the seven principles of testing, and you need to understand the test process, and you need to understand psychology of testing. We will discuss about these topics in detail later. First, let us understand about the syllabus. So the second chapter is testing throughout the software development life cycle. In this chapter, we need to discuss about the software development life cycle models, SDLC. There are different types of SDLC models that we need to understand, and then test levels, different types of testing levels like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and so on. And then maintenance testing, we need to understand what is maintenance testing. And the next chapter is static testing. In this, we will understand the basics of static testing, and we will also understand what is review process. In the next chapter, we will understand about the testing techniques. Here we will understand categories, what are the different categories of software testing techniques, and black box testing technique, white box testing technique, and experience based testing techniques such as error guessing and exploratory testing. These are the things we will discuss under this chapter. And in the next chapter, the test management, we will understand what is test organizing the test, or test planning and estimation, and test monitoring and control, and configuration management, and finally risks associated with testing and how to mitigate them. Finally, in the sixth chapter, we will discuss about the tools support for testing. What are the tools and how to select the tools for testing, how you can select the tools for testing, and how effectively use the tools in testing. So these are the 6 chapters that are important. If you want to do the practice or a practice test, there is a link in the description wherein you can, suppose if you want to practice for a software testing certification or you want to gain a software testing certification, there are 5+ practice tests and 200+ questions along with answers and explanation provided, and the link for taking a test is given in the description. Kindly go through the link in the description and you can practice the tests and you can gain the experience of answering those questions, and eventually if you want to take any software testing certification, especially at the foundation level, it will be helpful for you.